Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro. The Probate Pro is a law firm providing legal services and national probate coordination. As a result of the death of your loved one, you've been referred from your law firm to the Probate Pro to assist in the appointment of a legal representative to support your Camp Lejeune claim. To continue to move the matter forward, a legal representative must be appointed by a probate court on behalf of the deceased claimant. The Probate Pro will coordinate the retention of probate counsel in your area or provide the legal services directly. The cost of the probate coordination service and that of the local probate lawyer will be an expense paid from any potential settlement proceeds. There'll be no upfront cost to you, and no fee will be paid for this service unless there's a successful recovery. Of course, you're not obligated to use the Probate Pro. You could hire your own probate lawyer or do the legal work without a probate lawyer. What's next? Soon, the Probate Pro will refer your matter to a local probate lawyer, and we will provide you with that person's name. Then the local probate lawyer will contact you to start the probate process of appointing a legal representative. If you want to get a head start, begin by gathering the death certificate, some estate planning documents if there's any, and basic family information. The local probate lawyer will provide you with additional information and instructions. We know that the probate process may be confusing to you. Rest assured, the local probate lawyer will be able to answer your questions. Thank you so much.